Hello, my beautiful Virgos. Welcome to the Lionsgate portal reading. It's an August reading, 888, you know. I consider one of the biggest portals of the year, and what I want to look into at this time in this reading is what Lionsgate portal opens up for you. Could be great things, could not be as great. For some of you, brings clarity. For others of you, might bring certain knowledge. Do not forget also that Mercury is in retrograde at this time. Maybe reconsider certain things. Whatever here you've been manifesting or whatever you wanted for some time, let's see loves. And I also want to say thank you for all of you who are stopping by and listen to these messages, but also for those of you who are seeking knowledge or seeking answers to whatever you deal in your life. Let's see, Virgos, what Lionsgate or what this particular energy opens up for you. August 8th, 2024. For some of you, could open up just one energy. For others of you, more than one. If comes more than one, we'll be sharing with you. If comes just one energy, that's one energy. It's coming strongest. I have a Three of Swords underneath. We have a Seven of Pentacles, Temperance. What I'm seeing here right away, this portal is opening you up for healing, towards healing. Two of Wands. And it's more likely healing, but also new horizons, new energies with the Two of Cups and the Six of Wands. Yes. Moving on actively, making a decision actively to move towards something new. Six of Wands and Chariot. Also, with this Temperance card is acknowledgement. You acknowledge what was and what needs to go. This also speaks about a past situation that you either make peace with it, or if you took a long time to overcome it, now you are gonna feel better, easier. So it seems here you are graciously moving away from it. Strength. You are, it's not like you get over it, but you acknowledge that something here needed to happen for you to understand that whatever you were or in what position you were not suitable for you. I feel also with the Seven of Pentacles, it took you a while to understand. It's like some of you mourn the old you for way too long. I don't see you mourning that anymore. Whatever the energy here is just kind of a lot of movement. It's a shift into your own energy. So what Lionsgate portal is opening up for you, it's movement, decision, acknowledgement, new energies to embrace the new. If you were not interested in anything new till this moment, now you're just like, what's next? I'm not interested in what I have now or what was gone. I'm just seeing what's next. Five of Wands, Seven of Cups. We have a Tower. And we have the Knight of Wands. I also feel here there is a specific person or a specific energy made you to understand a lot of things. Speaking hard to understand, but you did. And it seems here there is this tower here that give you a different perspective of the people in your life or the things you do in your own life. Seven of Wands, Seven of Cups, people around you, even inside your own energy here, what you truly want, what people want from you. I feel here that was a big pivotal moment that you could go through. For some of you, there's a situation here going on for around 7 years already, or up to 7 years. But I feel here there is some kind of energy here that kind of like break in pieces everything you knew before. You know, sometimes certain people, certain energies come in our life, not necessary to destroy us, but more likely to awaken us. Awaken us from the energies of who we are. If you always were looking for the sense of life, or why I'm here, or what should I do, I feel here the Virgos I'm reading today related to the portal we are in, that's about it. Because I feel here there's a lot of people, a lot of energy gone from you, or were gone in this tower moment. I also feel that I'm speaking here with a single Virgo. But let's see what the tower moment were meant for you. Tower moment, speak to me. 10 of Cups. What really means to be happy? Or where my happiness is. It seems here there is a Virgo here who thought was happy, but somebody here taught you a different type of happiness or a different way of to see happiness. 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups. Very emotional energy here comes in, and the Sun. It's kind of find your own light. The life you thought was your life were not anymore your life. The life you were into turned out a little differently to be. I bet, or I can say I'm pretty sure the Virgo who were 7 years ago, it's a whole different Virgo now, today. Because of this tower moment. And I feel here, there is definitely here finding your light. Or always find your own light. What's the Knight of Wands here for? The world. I also feel here this is about the deeper you and the superficial you. Small things, small people, small talk are gone. Page of Pentacles. King of Cups. Knight of Cups. And 8 of Pentacles. It's kind of the universe give you a new sense of life, a new you, beyond the superficial you, beyond the energies here you were dealing here. It's kind of like the life you knew and the life you're going It's a whole different story. Whatever here you've gone through, loves. Why did it take you so long? Seven of Pentacles. For some of you, you were soul searching for so long, and only now understand that it's in the work we put in. Six of Pentacles. This is also about your worth. Star. I want some other life or something else. Or with the Star, Ace of Wands, and Four of Swords, healing energies, peaceful energy, stability. It's like a new way how we see balance, stability, and the people in the life, are also the lessons we need to learn. So it's kind of like the universe put you to learn certain lessons you really didn't want to, or the lessons that you kind of struggle to learn too. Because I see here a very up and down, back and forth, and then quiet. The quiet time. A new way to put in effort into the thing that really, really matters. So it seems here for many Virgos, if your life were a little chaos, or people around you, or you always try to understand people around you, this Tower show you what you need to focus on. For some of you, you are going through this Tower now. For others of you, already gone through. But the Lionsgate portal opens up for you this movement, this new energy. Yeah. It's kind of like those people who you were, sacrificed. They show their true faces. Certain people here could hold you back, or you hold back onto certain people or certain situation way too long. Either because you love them, either because you care them. For some of you, you care too much. And we're taking advantage too. Seven of Cups. I realize that things are not gonna work the way you thought will. So new ways. New ways. And also getting truthful to yourself. What is good for you and what not. Because you know, many times certain things look in a way, but end up to be in a whole different other way. I don't see you stick any longer with the past or with any chaos from your past. Even though you love, even though you care, you know your path, it's different one. What advice we have from Spirit? The Empress. Work on your true worth. Eight of Swords. For some of you, you might not feel abundant. For some of you, you might not feel such great individual, but you are. Stop underestimating yourself. Four of Wands. And no, you always can find the tribe you want. Just because certain people are gone from your life doesn't mean others are not coming. Because ahead of you, there is a much happy energy than is behind. Because it's kind of a motherly figure here. For some of you, you picked up your mother energy. Just because your mother couldn't do something doesn't mean you can't. For others of you, you are this motherly figure. I'm not good enough, or I cannot be abundant, I cannot live this way or the way I can, but you absolutely can. You are much stronger than you think you are. Again, it seems here there's a Virgo, and Virgo tends sometimes to criticize themselves or overly criticize. Stop the critique. Instead of start to tell yourself that things got better, that you get better, that you are much better, that you work towards your greatness, because what you feed yourself, that's what you become. I will say, take the simple example for those who are trying to lose weight or try to gain weight. What you put in your body, that's what you are becoming. You put healthy food, you become healthier. You put junk food, or let's say fast food, you become that person. And so is with the thoughts, so is with your words. I want to also for you to know that whatever you say, it is in a way, in a form or another, manifests. Because just remember in school when the teacher or whatever you call now and they tell you, spell your name. Spells and rituals starts with your name. Good energies to attract starts with what you spell, what you say. So start spelling beautiful words. Start doing beautiful things. And Spirit says, you are gonna get away from this energy of, I'm not good. Look at here, King of Pentacles. For some of you, you could be a very great financially, or great at your finances, but for some reason you lost that confidence. It's your responsibility, because King of Pentacles speaks about you are responsible to your own happiness, to your own growth. You are responsible to do what's best for you. It's like a driver. You are in the driver's seat. What you do is what you get. So, my lovely Virgos, take responsibility and get back. Because for some of you kind of lost yourself in a way. But it seems here that Spirit says this Lionsgate portal opens up for you the gifts that are coming in to be received. And that is confidence, growth, expansion, and worthiness. There are certain words in your vocabulary, or your way of manifesting to be either removed or erased or put at rest. It's kind of recycled time for you. So start loving yourself. Because the other you needs to come up front. And you can. So loves, that's what I have for you as right now. I hope this resonates. I hope this speaks to you. And of course, if it does, let us know. See you, darlings.